First thing we're going to do, I got to clean the fire pit out, number one. Start the fire ASAP. And then clean the pots. And then, what's that on top? And then chuck this curry on ASAP, if you know what I'm talking about. I'm actually going to look in these cast irons because I haven't opened them since I've been to Ilden for like, I don't know, I've been away for like 7 days, yeah? I haven't seen what's in the cast iron, so we're going to have a look. Let's see what these look like at the moment, yeah? Oh, that's an easy fix. Is that rust on the side? Fuck, it's full of rust again. That's easy fix though. I think we cooked damper in this, it shouldn't be too dirty. Nah, that's easy fix. Don't worry about that, we'll fix that too. Just love that, bro. Right, really quick, start this fire, clean the pots, recipe. And the super thing what I like about the curry too that we're cooking, I told you guys, it does not take long. You know what we're using? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna grab Rocco too. Fuck. All we do is just smother it with this coal and you'll get hot coal quick. That's it. Start building it up from the front now. So you put water in, just a little bit of water, a bit of steel wool, dishwashing liquid, right, in. Also vinegar. Vinegar's a must. Just rinse. That's it. That's it. Wash it. Right. Clean like that. Look at this. I don't know if you can see. It's coming clean. That fire's freaking roaring also, guys. Oh shit. I'm going to dry that out now. Al. Sorry? The wind's blowing it out now, it's fine. Alright. How's that now? Look at that. That's pretty good. How are we going to warm that up a little bit? You know it's cold when that happens, yeah? I don't know if this is going to... Should melt a little bit. Yeah, it is already. Look at that. It's already going down, look. Look. See? Look. Beautiful. Right, and then what you do, paper towel. All over it. Take that. I'm going to take that off. Leave that there. We let that burn out. Just for like 5-10. Alright, look at that. Dirty it is. Rocco, you're going to bed, bro. We'll pull that out. Oof. That's it. So we've got one piece. She wants it in cubes. We're making yellow Thai curry. Alex and I made this last time. Have a look. That's how big we're gonna do them, right? That's pretty good. Okay, maybe that layer has got to come off. Oh, sorry, I just farted. I don't know, is it littering if you throw onion wrapped thing on the floor? Because it's come from the ground, is that classed as littering? I don't know, but that's it. Am I doing this right? I don't know. All right, we've got the onions. The oil. There we go. There we go. Isn't that satisfying? I wish I could jack up one side. That's a bit too much oil. Oh yes, sir. Oh yeah, baby. All right, we got the onions. Chuck a bit in. Is that enough, you reckon, or a bit more? I think that's plenty.
Pushing and moving, that oil's burning. We've got to get it on. Ready? Carrot on. Broccoli in.
Oh God, listen to
It's
that.
sizzle because of the water. Baby corn in. Give that a stir, my love.
Yep.
You want me to stir it?
Yeah, you stir it. You need water or something?
Now for Luke and I, we love our vegetables crunchy, yeah?
Yeah.
So if you don't love your vegetables crunchy, like let that cook for a bit, but I love crunchy veggies. This is the yellow curry we use, Thai yellow. Loving it. I'm going to put a little bit more yellow curry than I did last time we cooked because I just felt like it just needed a bit more curry.
A bit of stock would go good.
Do you know what I hate? When you buy the cheapest coconut cream and it doesn't come with a pull. Because now I'm screwed. Can you take it off?
Why?
I'm going to get the can opener. Coconut cream instead of coconut milk, which is always really hard to get out because it's so cold here.
Everything just freezes over. Show me.
I don't want to burn this jacket.
I gave Ari a kiss before and she's like, oh my God, you smell like smoke.
Yeah. Not used to it, eh?
Oh yeah. So what's that?
Coconut cream instead of coconut milk. And honestly, I use coconut milk in all my curries. Was really happy with the coconut cream. It just makes it so much more like thicker and obviously creamier. I was about to say creamier and I was like, no shit.
Oh, I love when you stir it. Do you want the plastic one?
Look at that. Oh, smell? Smell.
Oh my God.
Just smell right now.
It smells good.
I'm old school, yeah? I don't need a spoon.
Yes, it's starting to look like curry.
I'm not used to that.
What?
I'm just not used to it. I've had a week break. Alright, we're eating our seasonings.
Is that all that goes in?
That's it, babe. Garlic powder. Now, I'd only go garlic powder, but I don't know if I'm going to get anything out of that. I think I'm going to only get a little bit. So I did get garlic granules as well, because I'm a garlic person. Give me garlic breath to wake up to in the morning, you know what I mean? So.
Priscilla said, what paste is that again?
Yellow, Thai yellow. I'll show you it. Hold on a sec. Garlic granules. So it's Thai yellow. I swear that brand too, I only buy that brand. Like I love it. Like it's just so rich and it's so authentic. Turmeric. I'm going to add extra because Luke and I have had like a little bit of like back pain and leg pain and hip pain and everything else pain. So turmeric, anti-inflammatory. Garlic salt.
Gotta have garlic salt.
Chili flakes, we like it spicy. Get some spice. Give her a good stir in.
That. Thank you for all the likes on this live, guys. I appreciate it.
Off its head.
That's how cold it is right now. This is finished, yeah? Check that out.
It's not finished. I want to slow cook it a bit.
Yeah, we're gonna slow cook it, but I want you to sit around here for like an hour and a half, right? So what we're gonna do after this is we're gonna get some rice. We'll warm up some rice in the microwave. Is it just a packet rice, yeah?
Yeah.
Packet rice?
Yeah.
Right, but look at this one more time. Fuck it, the smoke's killing me.
That was right.
Where's the chicken? Is that chicken?
Oh, yeah, I got you a fork.
No, spoon's better. Broccoli.
Suck it off.
carrot, bit of juice. Look at that. Come out the fire. Ah, stand there. Jimmy.
Watch my mat.
Go that way.
Oh,
Right, look at that.
watch the mat.
Is this going to be hot?
Yeah, look at the steam.
I love hot food anyway.
So don't burn the top of your mouth again. You actually, hold on, wait. You actually were drooling.
Was I?
Yeah.
Can I eat this or what?
Go.
Oh. Oh my God.
You don't even look like you in that beanie.
It's spicy, it's crunchy.
Is it good?
It's curry, yeah. I never like curry, but I don't know what it is. I love it. That's beautiful. With a bit of rice in there. And remember, you can do this with fish as well, not chicken.
And
So,
prawns, seafood,
prawns, yep.
pork.
That is a winner. I'm in love.
Wanna win a chicken dinner?
High five, you did it again.
Oh,
good.
you actually did it tonight.
No, we did it.
Let me see. Stop licking the spoon.
My eyes are red from the smoke.
Bless my love. Look at those eyes.
We're off, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you're here and you're new, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And tomorrow we're going to smoke up the trout.
Eyeballs.
Tomorrow we're going to smoke up the trout, so make sure you stay tuned for that tomorrow. Come on the live tomorrow.
Sick.
I'll see you guys. End it, Jimmy.